Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sanya. In today's video, we are going to paint a beautiful peacock using acrylic paints. Peacocks are known for their vibrant colors and their striking feathers. So I am excited to show you how to capture the beauty on canvas. I have applied masking tape for smooth finish. Before we start painting, we will need to sketch out our peacock on canvas. I am using 12 into 16 inch canvas, but you can use any size that you prefer. Start by sketching out basic shape of peacock's body. Now that we have our sketch, let's start by painting the background. I am going to use a raw umber which is mix of blue and green and white and flat paintbrush size 9. Next we will move on to painting the peacock's body. I am going to use Persian blue. Use a medium sized brush and start painting from the top of the head. Don't worry about the painting around the feathers at this point. We will do that later. For creating lighter and darker tones, I am using white and cobalt blue. With the same brush, I am going to use sap green and little bit of burnt umber. Take a yellow and blend it with green for smooth finish. Make sure to clean your brush side by side. Now let's start painting the feathers. For the eye spots, I am going to use blue, yellow, green. Paint each eye spot individually, using a small brush to get the details right. Paint each feather from the center outwards, blending the colors as you go. It's time to paint dazzling eyes. I'm going to use black for the outer lining using 0 size round paintbrush. Paint yellow ochre with touch of titanium white. Once the feathers are painted, we can add some details to really make the painting pop. Use a small brush to paint the lines and textures on the feathers. For the line, I am going to use sap green, raw umber, yellow ochre with touch of black and cadmium yellow. If you are enjoying this, give a like to this video. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to the painting. I am going to add some burnt umber and water. You can also add some white paint to the edges of the feathers to make them stand out. And at last, remove the masking tape to see the final outcome. And there you have it, a beautiful peacock painting on canvas. I hope you enjoyed following along with me today. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more painting tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.